Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I have here another unboxing from this store that sells used stuff here in Portugal, and let's see what we have inside. I bought these through through the website. I saw the photos. I'm not sure, the photos are not very convincing, so I'm not sure how good are the pen that is inside, but I risked it and went and bought it. So let's see. You can see here I will use this gray Victorinox knife from 2022 because what we have here is black inside, and this is my blackest Victorinox Alox knife. So that's why I chose this one. Let's see if I can open this. I'm not sure how this is closed. Okay, so let's see. Paper, which is nice instead of being all full of just plastic with all the bubbles. So lots of paper and something about disinfection of the product, which I have to say that always makes me a little bit nervous. Sorry, I can't get rid of this box here. It always makes me nervous because I always think which kind of products. They say, thank you for your purchase, your product has been disinfected before being sent. I'm always afraid if they use something that may ruin what is inside. And so, here you have it. It is a box that is in a very ugly state of broken and so on, of Lamy 2000. And I'm almost afraid of how things will look inside. But if they are not well, I may return them. Let me just bring the camera down and let's see. So here we have, it is a Lamy 2000 set, and I'm almost afraid at looking to the fountain pen. So this is the ballpoint pen, and it is working and it is in good shape. Maybe there is some use and some scratches, but I think that will be kind of understandable. Lamy refill inside. Not sure if it is writing. Not important right now, but why not? This is this glossy paper, and it writes blue refill, so ballpoint is good. I think I paid a good price for these. Oh, it has a booklet here. Nice. I think the booklet already makes me excited with these. I know that I'm not going through the fountain pen, but I will. I promise you. So fun to see these here. I never see these. I think this is quite old. I'll need to figure this out. Then we have a mechanical pencil, which I think it's nice also. It has some use showing, and it is working, and I'm not sure if this is a 0.5 or a 0.7. I would say maybe 0.7 millimeters, and it is kind of nice. I'm most trying to look beneath the clip, but I can't see because I think this Lamy set is quite old. And why? Because it says here somewhere there West, like that, West Germany and Portugal. So I think this is quite an old set, and I was trying to see if there was the engraving West Germany beneath the clip. And now on the underside of the clip. Finally, let's take a look at the pen, and I am quite nervous because I'm not sure how well it will look. So Here it is. Okay, I think this is one of the older ones because it has the L there. I think the modern ones don't have it. And it has an engraving there. Focus, please. My phone sometimes doesn't like to focus. Sorry about this. I will bring the light tripod a little closer. And I will increase the light. So let me see if Lamy 2000 West Germany. Yes, not engraved under the clip, but there, and the clip is not working by pressing there, which is strange, but it works this way. What is going on with it? I can't see if it has any engraving there. Yes, I have to say that I'm a little bit nervous about this. The pencil works. This works, the ballpoint works, but this one doesn't. Okay, I'm nervous and I'm focusing only in an exterior issue, or maybe not even an issue because it works like this. But what is happening inside? Okay, forget about it. Let's take a look inside because the photos are so blurry that I can't see anything. So maybe I'll just insert the photos here and you can see what I saw in the moment of buying. Okay. Yes. The pen is not okay. Unfortunately, I see it now because it is missing those little things that, those little prongs that keep the pen closed. So I will need to return it because it is too expensive to get those things unless I find them online at a cheaper price. But this way I don't think I'll keep the pen because this will not allow the pen to close properly. Now let's see. Oops, I was going to see if the piston worked, but the pen is actually filled with ink. Maybe they tested it. They said they did. And it works, and I would say that maybe this is kind of a medium. But the lack of those little prongs makes me nervous. And I'm not sure what I will do. So I'll need to check these better because it is very expensive to get them. I guess if you lose that, you'll pay more than 100 euros just to get those parts, and I don't really want to pay that. I'm not sure. I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought it would be a great purchase, but now I see it was not. I have here the Lamy 2000 in steel, and I can see it is quite in a similar shape. This one doesn't work, don't know why, but that would be a minor issue in my opinion. All the other stuff is good enough. So I just brought here the Lamy 2000 steel. I brought the Lamy CP1 also in black. So it is kind of a comparison. The Lamy Studio and the Lamy Ion, which are pens that I think they have kind of a similar design, but the one that is really like the same is this. Let me just show you. This one has this little prong that it is a small piece that makes the pen close, otherwise the cap doesn't stay securely in place and they are lost in this case. So I need to get them. You see the holes there. So what would you do? Would you try to find just that little piece, maybe on eBay or something? Or would you get the money back for the pen? I was quite happy of having a regular 2000, but now I just don't know what to do. I thought it was a good bargain, but when we have bargains, these may happen. So I'll have to check it. Let me just see if the cap closes properly. I'll change. Yes, it closes when it has the... You can hear maybe. Let me just... It clicks perfectly when you have this little piece, but this one doesn't. So, okay. I will need to check it and then I will let you know. So, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what you have to say and I will maybe rely on your opinions. If you know any source of getting that piece, please let me know and then I will try to decide what to do, if I'll keep the pen or not. So, thank you so much for watching and I hope to meet you soon here on the channel. Bye!